Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. It's cold here, it's the middle of winter, so I decided to make up this ultimate comfort food, tomato and egg drop soup. You can make this in like 15 minutes. You're gonna love this, it goes with anything, so let me walk you through this. I'm going to kick things off here by adding some oil to a preheated pan, and this is over medium-high heat. And I'm going to add in 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and of course give them a stir around. And we're just going to cook these up until they're soft. Okay, now our tomatoes are soft and reddish. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 4 drops of sesame oil, and 4 cups of chicken stock. Of course, some black pepper. And you know me, I just love pepper. And I'm just going to bring it to a boil and give it a stir. After a boil, I'm going to drop in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, dilute in 3 tablespoons of water, and of course give this a stir around until it thickens up. After a boil, I'm going to add in 2 beaten eggs. And you want to stir these as they go along. And this creates a really nice ripple effect. And I'm going to kill the heat. And there you have it, guys, our tomato egg drop soup. So of course I'm going to ladle this into a bowl. This smells and looks absolutely delicious. And garnish it up with some spring onions, or green onions, whatever you want to call them. And there you have it, guys, our tomato egg drop soup. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. And just look at this steam rolling off. It looks incredible. It smells incredible. Absolutely incredible, guys. You're going to love this. Like I said in the intro, the ultimate comfort food. Spices are great. The egg is great. The noodle. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of soup recipes, cool recipes there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.